This is going to be a super simple tutorial on how to put these hair tinsels into hair using one of these tools that comes in a quick kit. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to pull one of the hair tinsels out of the package. We're using brown in this case. And we are going to find a strong hair that doesn't already have tinsel in it. Preferably the longer the hair, the better. And we are going to align the tip of the hair tinsel with the tip of the hair, and then kind of just follow that hair and the tinsel, pulling it down to the scalp, just like this. Now with one finger pushing down on the scalp, you can use another set of fingers pulling it up like this, and you're going to take your tool like this, and you're going to want to have that open, just like this. And now grabbing somewhere in the middle of that hair and tinsel, you're going to pull it down and bring it to these two fingers here, so you have more of a loop. Now what you're going to do is you want to rotate at least once with this tool, and then now closing it or pulling it all the way through, just like this. You're going to grab that hair again and pull it through all the way. And you're going to want to cinch this knot closed, just like that. Perfect. And now your hair tinsel is in.